everybody, how are you all?
We're fine.
This is Rhoda. Today I'm here to talk about, I would say, one of the most common topics, that is how to become a good speaker. So first of all, I'm not saying that I'm that much good. I'm still learning and I'm just improving day by day. So I'm going to talk about 3 major factors that you'll need if you want to be a good speaker. The first and the most important one is grammar. When you try to talk in English, you are making a sentence and it has to be meaningful, right? So in order to make it meaningful, you have to be good at grammar. The second thing is listening. Try to watch English movies every day or interviews or any type of English videos every day. Listen carefully to every single word and just try to understand how really they're pronouncing them. Then the third thing is practice, practice, and practice. Try to talk in English every day as much as possible, and if you have a partner, it can be any family member or any of your friend, try to speak with them. And speaking of myself, I didn't have a partner to practice with. I used to practice with myself, and then I got here at SpeakUp. Not just about learning English, I learned what a good teacher really is. Russell sir, he was most supportive, and till now, nobody appreciated me like he did, and I'm so grateful to you, sir, and I'll always be. So at last, I'm going to say, I know I sound a motivational speaker, but we all are humans, right? We do make mistakes, and that's totally normal, so don't freak out about that, and don't ever care what people think of you. Just trust yourself and never give up. Thank you.